This is the walkthrough for the relative velocity and force questions. Question 1A, you're given the example of two planes flying towards each other, plane A and plane B. You're told that plane A has travelled 10 kilometres in 2 minutes and plane B has travelled 40 kilometres in 10 minutes. You must calculate the speed of each plane. Now, speed is distance over time, so you divide 10 kilometres by 2 minutes to give 5 kilometres per minute. Now you're asked to give it in kilometres per hour. So that's 5 kilometres times by 60 minutes gives you 300 kilometres an hour. You repeat the same process for plane B, so you have 40 kilometres divided by 10 minutes equals 4 kilometres a minute. 4 kilometres times 60 minutes is 240 kilometres per hour. Question 1A part 2, you're asked to calculate the relative speed of the two planes. Now, relative to each other, they're moving towards each other, so you just add the two speeds. So relatively, they're moving 540 kilometres per hour. Question 1B, plane A is moving at a constant speed and the engines are producing 15,000 newtons of thrust. And what is the force of the drag on the plane? Now, if it's constant speed, the forces of drag and thrust are balanced. So the force of drag is also 15,000 newtons. Question 1C, when plane A is accelerating and is halfway down the run rate, so halfway down at that point, it's producing 50,000 newtons of thrust, and drag is only at 1,000 newtons, and you're asked to calculate the resultant force of the plane. The resultant force is the thrust minus the drag, so the amount of force that's being put into the acceleration. So that's 50,000 minus 1,000 is 49,000 newtons.